Hey, what's going on? I'm Brandon America, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Behringer XR16 digital mixer. Let's get to it. Okay, so here we are. This is exactly how the package shipped from Amazon. Here we go. All right, so right on top, you've got your owner's manual, sticker, and a couple screws. Let's see. Right below that, you've got this power cable, which is taped in there. So let's go ahead and pull these out first. These are the rack-mounted plates, so you can actually put these on the side of the Behringer XR16. All right, boom, there it is. Sweet. Yep. Boom. All right, so there's our IEC, standard power connector. And boom, there it is. That's the XR16. It has 16 inputs here. You'll notice the top row is for multi-jack, which you can do a XLR or quarter-inch inputs into these top ones. And these all have the Midas preamps built in. This bottom row of inputs, these are just your standard quarter-inch line inputs. And down here on 15 and 16, you'll notice you can go ahead and plug a guitar or bass or anything that would require a DI box. You can go ahead and plug those in there and kind of eliminate that. And down below, you've got 4 aux outputs or buses so that you could send them to different places to be recorded or different headphone mixes, whatever you really need. And then you've got your 2 main left and rights and a headphone output with a little knob to adjust it. So right here is the antenna for the built-in Wi-Fi. Next to that, you've got a little USB. And this one actually doesn't act as an audio interface. This particular one right here is mainly so you can add backing tracks to a particular performance, or you could record your performance on a 2-track right here. You've got an in and out MIDI right next to that, and this will allow you to trigger MIDI into the device or trigger something else outside of it. And then over here you've got the remote Ethernet, and so this doesn't actually send a signal to it doesn't send any audio. This basically is so you could hook up a laptop if your Wi-Fi was getting interfered by a cell service or whatever. You've got this little switch which will allow you to connect to whichever you need, Ethernet, Wi-Fi that is built into this unit, or if you have your own network, you can jump on that guy there. So it's nice. It comes with some really nice bumper guards here, so when you set this thing down on your stage, it's going to be sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. And one of the big tips is if you set your XR16 or 18 or 12, if you set any of those up on stage in this position, then you want to have the antenna pointed straight up to get a nice round coverage area for your Wi-Fi. If you do lay it like this, then you're going to want to pull it up so that now it'll still continue to get a better coverage. And like I said earlier, you've got a fan over here built in. You've got the IEC power input, just a switch left and right. And on top of the unit, you have Behringer's logo right here. Let's see, I'll turn it around for you guys. So you've got the Behringer logo right here. You've also got it on the back and on the bottom. Like I said, if you wanted to use these plates, you can unscrew these little rubber pieces on the side here, replace it with these and throw it into a rack, and with some power supplies or in-ear monitors or whatever. This thing right here can do a lot of amazing things. Stay tuned. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment down below if this is something that you're interested in, or if you have any questions. I'd be happy to go over those with you. So I will go into more depth review and actual testing on this thing. So until next time, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Brandon America. We'll see you next time. Peace and love.